Hello everyone, my name is Vikal Jain and today I am going to show you how to encrypt and decrypt your data so that you can prevent the cell viewed by other users. So here we have some products and here we have pricing. So we are going to encrypt our pricing so that if I will share this sheet to anyone and keep the CC to anyone which I don't want to share the data, so he can't decrypt the data without any code which I will provide to him. So this sheet is useless to him. So I have found the code from this website, so you may find the link on this video also. So here is it. So what you need to do, just go open this website. I have opened it. Now here we have code. Now what we're going to do, press Alt F11. Now insert module. Now you have here module 1. Now I have already copied the module in Word, so I'm going to press Ctrl A to select all the code, copy, paste. Okay, now I have going to save it, close it. Now press Alt F8. Here we have encrypt range. We are going to give this a shortcut, so click here, click options. I am pressing Ctrl Q, click OK, close it. Now I am selecting my range to encrypt my range. Now press Ctrl Q to run my code. Now it is showing my range, click OK. Now what password do you want to enter to decrypt the code? So I am just pressing, I am entering the 1 2 3 4 5 6, click OK. Now it is showing, if you want to encrypt your cell, type 1. If you want to decrypt your cell, type 2. So I want to encrypt my data, click 1, click OK. Now save my file, and if this password 1 2 3 4 5 6 would be known by anyone, then he may or she may decrypt the sheet. Otherwise no one can't decrypt the sheet. Now again press Alt F8. Here we have typed the macro, so you simply do not need to open this. You just press simply Ctrl Q once again. Now here is the range, click OK. Now it is asking for the password to decrypt it, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now do you want to decrypt? Yes. Now my pricing is here. I hope you will like this video. Keep enjoying and keep learning.